Hey friends, in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to factory reset this Hisense TV. Now, you want to do this if you are selling the TV, getting rid of it. You just don't want your account information remaining on the TV, including all your Wi-Fi passwords and your passwords for your applications. So let's go ahead and reset this. You can also use this if for some reason your TV is frozen, maybe it's been acting up. Again, you can try this hard reboot. Remember, once you do this, you will have to install all of your applications again if you keep the TV and want to continue using it, because it will delete it to factory settings. Okay, so what we're gonna do is use our little remote here. I'm just gonna use my little trackpad and the OK button. And let's go ahead and we're gonna go all the way up to our little settings icon over here in the top right-hand corner. Okay, once we're in our general settings, we can actually just keep scrolling down here. And we're gonna look for device preferences and click on that. Okay, inside device preferences, we're gonna again scroll all the way down and you're gonna find the reset option right here towards the bottom. Let's click on that. And then as you can see, it's gonna erase all the data from your device's internal storage, including the Google account system and app data settings and downloaded apps. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on the reset option and press OK. And again, it's letting you know, hey, this is going to reset everything. You sure you wanna do this? You can't reverse it. Yes, that's exactly what we want to do. Let's erase everything. All right, this is gonna go into the reset function. It does take a couple of minutes here. The TV goes into the reset ring, you'll reboot, you'll see the Hisense logo, and then it'll go into these little Google startup icons. Okay, that reset took approximately 3 to 5 minutes, I'd say. Give it just a little bit of time there, and then you'll be brought back to this welcome screen. We can go ahead with our normal setup, or at this point, you're ready to sell / give away the TV. Friends, I hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for me. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more of these quick little tech tutorial videos to make your life just a little easier. We'll see you again on the next one.